Today we're here at Hixson of Alexandria. We want to discuss the simple task of Bluetoothing a smartphone to your new Lincoln. Today we're in the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. So if you will, follow these simple instructions. On your phone, go to Settings. In the Bluetooth screen, hold it here. On the main screen, choose Phone, Add
Search
Phone.
for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
You will see the Sync logo right here. Choose it. Give it just a moment.
The pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Hit Pair. Choose Yes. Allow for your contacts to download.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Part of the Bluetooth capability is Lincoln's 911 Assist that uses your phone's GPS to contact 911. You can choose to activate that and then press Finish. One of the other features of having your smartphone Bluetooth is to be able to access Siri or maybe even Google Voice. Once it's Bluetooth, choose the speech function on the steering wheel. Press and hold. Hey Siri, what is the weather like today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 89 degrees in Alexandria. Expect clear skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 89 degrees this afternoon to 73 tonight. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
So as you can see, the seamless capability of using your smartphone in your new Lincoln Nautilus is seamless. Thank y'all for watching today. And if you do have any questions, please make sure you reach out to us here at Hixson Autoplex. And remember, if you pick it out, we'll work it out.